Are you launching a new product on Amazon? Did you update your listing with the right keywords? Actually, I am asking because there are many sellers, they are not updating their listings with the right keywords. So, first of all, you have to choose the right keywords and then update your listing properly. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can research the right keywords and then update your listing properly. So, let's get started. So from my screen, you can see after checking the product and title, we can say this is a bagel slicer. So it should be a main keyword for this product. But there can be some other keyword that will work for this item as well. To check those things and research the keyword, I will use Helium 10. From tool, I will go to the Cerebro. First of all, we will have to collect our competitors and then we will have to see for which keyword they are ranking for and which keyword are doing good for their items. Let me search here with the main keyword, the bagel slicer, and there you can see there are many of our close competitors. So I will pick some of them. So I'm picking these three. So let me collect their ASIN. Here I have put it all of the ASINs, those are our competitors, and then you can click to the get keywords. Here you can see we got all the data. So first of all, I will just organize something like I will pick the search volume and then sponsored ASIN, and I need position rank, and also I need the sponsored rank. So from here, if I search with the search volume, after sorting with search volume, you can see there are many generic keywords that are getting higher search volume. But in this case, there are many keywords are not relevant to our product. So to get the right keyword, you have to use the filtration here. So from here, I am picking first of all the word count. So I am selecting minimum 1 and the maximum is 4. And for the search volume, it's 1 to 50,000. Now let me apply filter. After doing this filter, you will get many keywords here. So from here, you will get the broad and the exact both type of keywords, and then you can check their position rank. Like it's showing if I sort with the position rank. After sorting with the position, you will be able to see where is the position for those keywords, and also you can see the sponsored rank. Based on this, you have to check the keywords and then you can pick some keyword from here, but I will suggest to check the search volume as well. If you go through this way, you will be able to see many keywords for your product. So from here, you have to do filtration and then you have to pick the keywords are good for you. If you want to check the exact keyword that are specific for your product, so you have to do some filtration. So let me show you how you can do those filtration. First of all, you can go here and I will keep the same search volume and then I will pick the position rank here like 1 to 50. You can set the position rank based on your preference. Like there are many sellers who actually check 1 to 20, 1 to 30 or 1 to 40. So it's based on you. So for me, I am checking 1 to 50. So for the word count, I will pick the minimum word count 3 and max also 3. So I will get the broader keyword for my product. Let me click to the apply filter. Here you can see all of the keywords that actually relevant to your product, because as I selected 3 word count, so there have a high chance to get the relevant keyword for our product. So after making this filter, you have to select the keyword from here by checking the search volume, position rank and the sponsored rank. And then you can use those keyword for your product. And if you run PPC for those keywords, it will also help you to boost your sales more. To run PPC, you can check the suggested bid for those keywords from the Helium 10. From here, you can see there are the suggested PPC bid. After checking the suggested PPC bid from here, you can collect those keywords and based on this, you can run PPC with those keywords. Now, if I go to this listing, you can see the main keywords here actually use the bagel slicer and the bagel cutter. So here, only the two main keywords were added. But If you go through the way that I showed to you, you will be able to find many more keywords that actually will work good for you. So I hope you have a better idea now. If you are going to launch new product on Amazon, I will suggest you to go through the two way I mentioned. One is for the specific keyword and another is for the generic keyword. So after doing some filtration, you can pick some generic keyword from there, and also you can pick some specific keyword from there, and after then you can check their rank position and the sponsored rank as well, and also their search volume. After checking everything, you can find out which keyword you should add to the title and for which keyword you need to run the PPC ads. Those are the things that I wanted to share with you in this video. Hope that will help you to launch a new product. Further, if you have any confusion, you can let us know in the comment section, and also you can mail us info@ecomclips.com. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.